Today is day zero, a fresh start for your internal system. And before you scroll past that thinking it means nothing, I need you to hear this. Zero is not empty. Zero is where every operating system begins. It's the clean slate, the fresh install, the moment before the code runs. This is day zero of the new moon cycle, and it rises with the sun. That's not an accident. That's a signal from the universe. It says, new light, new code, new beginning. Before we go any further, if you're doing this with the daily Recode journal from Amazon, open it to day zero right now. Every prompt I walk you through is already laid out for you. Link is in the description. If you don't have it yet, any journal works for today, but trust me, once you use the Recode format, you'll want it. We can make our plans, but God determines our steps. Proverbs 16:9. Let that land for a second. You are the programmer, but God is the architecture. You write the intentions. He writes the outcomes. So today, we're not forcing, we're aligning. Open your journal, grab your pen, we're booting up. Before we set any intentions, we need to run a system diagnostic because here's the thing, you can't upgrade a system you haven't checked. So I want you to pause this video right now, take a breath, and honestly answer these 3 questions in your journal. Emotionally, how am I actually feeling right now? Not how I should feel. How do I feel? Physically, what is my body telling me today? Is it rested? Is it heavy? Is it buzzing with energy? Spiritually, where is my connection right now? Am I plugged into the grid or running on low battery? Write it down, no judgment. Awareness is the first step to change. If you're using the daily Recode journal, you already see the 3 lines waiting for you. Fill them in, feel them. Before we can download anything new, we have to raise the frequency. And the fastest way to do that? Gratitude. I'm not talking about a generic, I'm grateful for my coffee list. I'm talking about real gratitude, the kind that opens your chest. Because gratitude isn't just a nice habit, it's a frequency shift. It literally changes the signal you're sending out. When you're grateful, you're open. And open is exactly what we need right now. Now we're going to pray. If prayer feels unfamiliar to you, just think of it as opening a direct channel to your highest source. You can read this prayer out loud with me or simply hold space as I speak it. Dear God, as this new moon rises, I open my heart to what is possible. I release what no longer serves me, and I make space for what you've placed in my heart. Guide me to align my intentions with your will. Help me dream boldly and trust deeply. I plant these seeds of hope with faith, knowing that you are with me in every phase, every step, and every sacred shift. Now, this is where I want you to continue this prayer in your own words. Speak from your soul. Tell God exactly what you need today, what you're scared of, what you're hoping for, what you're releasing. This is your download request. Be specific. Let me tell you what's happening energetically right now, because understanding your operating environment matters. The new moon is the dark phase, the reset phase. And here's what most people get wrong. They think dark means empty, but dark means potential. Think of it like powering down a computer completely before a major system upgrade. It has to go dark before it can come back better. This is that moment. The new moon energy is asking you to do one specific thing. Just be rather than do. Sit quietly with your hopes and your dreams. Tune into your true self, not the version of you that's been running on stress and survival mode, your actual self. Ask yourself this question: what do I want to create now in my life? Pay attention to what surfaces. Your desires, your fears, your longings, those are the seeds. They are the raw data of your next chapter. You can write them, draw them, vision board them on the next page of your journal. However they want to come out, let them. And here's the most important part. Read your wishes out loud, or if you prefer, imagine them in your mind's eye. And then feel the feeling of those wishes already fulfilled. Not I hope this happens, but this is happening. That feeling, that's you installing the new code. Now let's install these affirmations. Say them with me, out loud if you can. If not, read each one slowly and mean it. I plant my hopes in faith, knowing God waters every seed I sow. I release fear and trust that new beginnings are blessed by heaven. As the moon begins again, so do I, with clarity, courage, and grace. I am worthy of the dreams God gave me. The unknown is not empty, it is filled with God's potential for me. I step into this new cycle, aligned, open, and led by divine love. Those aren't just words, they are new instructions for your internal system. This is how we recode. This is your reset, a divine pause, a reconnection with your soul's GPS. Tune in, align, receive. Step 1, find stillness. Find a quiet space right now. Sit comfortably, spine tall, hands relaxed in your lap. Step 2, breathe deeply. Inhale slowly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale gently through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your nervous system settle. You are safe here. Step 3, come home to yourself. Gently place one hand on your heart, the other hand on your belly. Close your eyes. Feel your heartbeat beneath your palm. That rhythm has been with you since before you understood what you were. That is your anchor. That is home. Now, from that quiet, receptive place, I want you to write your intention for today. Not a goal, not a task list, an intention. An intention is a direction, not a destination. It might sound like, today, I choose to move through this day with trust. Or today I am open to receiving. Or today I honor my energy and protect my peace. Let it flow from your heart and from what you just received in your meditation. Write it down and mean it. That is your compass for today. When your day is done, before you close your journal tonight, come back here. Come back to these questions. First, what magic unfolded today? Not just the big things, the small things too. The unexpected kindness, the moment of clarity, the feeling that something or someone was moving things behind the scenes. Second, did I honor my intention? And if not, that's okay. That's data, not failure. What got in the way? Third, what did I learn today? Every day is a lesson in the sandbox. What did today teach you? Fourth, how do I feel right now? Not how you think you should feel. How do you actually feel in your body, in your heart? Now, rate your day. Look at those 5 stars. How many does today get? There's no wrong answer. It's just honest data. And finally, in the deep one, close your eyes for just a moment and ask, what is my soul guiding me to do? Your soul already knows the next step. Planted in faith, watered by grace, aligned with God's timing. Hold that. You are the seed. This cycle is the soil. Trust the timing. Before you close your journal tonight, I want you to finish this sentence. Tonight, I trust God with, give it to Him, the worry, the uncertainty, the thing you've been carrying all day. Set it down. You did the inner work today. You showed up for yourself. You're not broken. You never were. You're just a soul in process, upgrading, expanding, evolving. If you want to follow this entire lunar cycle with me, every day, fully guided, the Daily Recode Journal is on Amazon. The link is in the description. It was built for exactly this, moon by moon, day by day, recode by recode, cycle by cycle, moon by moon. Welcome to the sandbox. I'll see you on day 1.